I won't take on wood repair. You got wood repair? Let me know when it's fixed. Drywall repair? You got drywall repair? Let me know when it's fixed. You know, and we're in a strong position to do that now. We're a 5-0 company, man. Like, people know that, like, if you want to work with us, we set the terms now. But I've always done that, and I wasn't afraid to lose business. Did I lose business from it? Probably.
Yeah.
Like, I'm sure some people saw in my quote, like, wood repair not included, and then they had someone else who said wood repair included. Great. Good for them. You did it. Awesome. But guess what? You were stuck on that job doing wood repair, and we were on our next paint job.
Right.
Know, like, and you had to tell one of your employees to do it, and he didn't sign up for wood repair. He signed up to paint. So, you know, like, it's just, it's not worth it.
Okay.